So because we know that this is reflected about the y-axis, now we can go back and make predictions about what the graph will look like. And that's a powerful tool. So we know that we have to flip this guy around the y-axis. So it'll look something like that. So what does that look like? That tells me that I can just shift everything and flip it. So I already know that my asymptote will be the same. That doesn't change. The only thing that's changing is the shape over here. So if it was like this, now I know it's going to look something like that. Cool. So I apologize for my ugliness over here, but let's double check my work. Let's see what this looks like. 2 to the power of negative 1 is actually 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 to the power of 0, 1, 2. 2 to the negative 1/2 plus 1 is 0.5. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. 2. Oh, I'm sorry, not negative 3. 2 to the power of negative 2 is 1/4 plus 1 is 1.25. So this tells me my range is actually greater than, which makes sense, the same here. The only thing that changed was the direction, right? So this was growth, now it's decay. So we know that it's translated still by vertically by 1 unit up and reflected about the y-axis. So hopefully you guys can see how having anticipation allows you to be much more efficient and accurate.